Here are definitions of essential legal terms that beginners should be familiar with. Jurisdiction. It refers to the authority or power of a court to hear and decide a particular case. It determines which court has the legal authority to adjudicate a matter based on factors like geographical location, subject matter, and the type of case. For example, a district court has jurisdiction over civil cases within its district. Plaintiff. The plaintiff is the party who initiates a legal action or lawsuit. They are the ones bringing the case before the court and alleging that their legal rights have been violated. For example, in a personal injury case, the injured party is typically the plaintiff. Defendant. The defendant is the party against whom a legal action is taken. They are accused of wrongdoing by the plaintiff and must defend themselves in court. For example, in a criminal trial, the accused person is the defendant. Advocate. An advocate is a general term for a legal professional who represents clients in court, gives legal advice, and prepares legal documents. Usage. In India, the term advocate is commonly used to refer to lawyers who practice in lower courts. Barrister. A barrister is a type of lawyer who specializes in courtroom advocacy and is often associated with higher courts. In India, barristers typically argue cases in the Supreme Court and high courts. Judgment. A judgment is the final decision or ruling by a court in a legal case. It typically outlines the court's findings, legal reasoning, and the relief granted or denied to the parties involved. For example, the judge issued a judgment in favor of the plaintiff, awarding damages. Decree. A decree is a formal order or judgment of the court that enforces the judgment's terms and directs the parties on what actions they must take to comply with the court's decision. Usage. In some legal systems, especially in civil cases, the term decree is used to describe the final judgment. Litigation. It refers to the process of taking legal action or pursuing a lawsuit through the court system to resolve a dispute or legal issue. Example. The litigation process can be lengthy and expensive. Legal proceedings. It encompasses all the formal actions and activities that occur during a lawsuit, from the filing of a complaint to the final judgment. Usage. Legal proceedings include court hearings, document filings, motions, and the presentation of evidence. These definitions provide a foundational understanding of some essential legal terms commonly encountered in the Indian legal system. Familiarity with these terms can help individuals navigate legal matters and discussions more effectively.